Hey crew, welcome back to the channel. Today's video will be French toast. A simple and easy and quick recipe on how to make French toast. And here are the ingredients that I'll be using. I have Texas toast bread, 2 eggs, margarine, vanilla, nutmeg, cinnamon, ginger, sugar, and milk. And if you're new to the channel, you've seen this, please subscribe to the channel. Click the bell, set post notifications to all, like and comment on the videos. Let's get into this video. Alright crew, so we have our bowl here. We're going to go in with our 2 eggs, half a cup of milk, we're going to go in with a teaspoon and a half of vanilla extract. One tablespoon of sugar. Okay, we have our nutmeg. We're going to go in with 1 teaspoon of nutmeg. Two teaspoons of ground cinnamon. And we have ginger, and we're going to go in with like a half a teaspoon. Maybe a fourth. And we're going to go in with a fourth of teaspoon of ginger. And just mix it until it's well combined. So we have our pan here, and we're going to take some margarine. So that's 3 tablespoons right there. So we have our mixture here and our Texas toast. Okay, so I'm just putting the French toast in our pan. And guys, it turned out amazing and the family love it. And I decided to make some smoked sausage and an OE easy egg for myself. And here I use less than a tablespoon of margarine so I can pan fry our sausage. And after that, you will see me do some more French toast, then the fried egg. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like the video and comment on the video your thoughts. And let us know what you would like to see us cook.
off the pedestal. I don't know what I was thinking. Let it be more than drinking and going back to your place, never to see you again. That was simply delusion, followed up with confusion. That was just substitution for a lonely bed. So that's impressive, how much you're messing with my feelings in my heart. Oh, yeah, yeah, that's impressive, how much you're messing with my feelings in my heart. Oh, yeah. I'm going back to the table round. They say that I slept with a stable friend of mine, 'cause they know all this time that I was out my mind, thinking you were the one that it was love, feelings so strong. I should've known, I should know. I don't know what I was thinking. Let it be more than drinking and going back to your place, never to see you again. That was simply delusion, followed up with confusion. That was just substitution for a lonely bed. So that's impressive, how much you're messing with my feelings in my heart. Oh, yeah, yeah, that's impressive, how much you're messing with my feelings in my heart. Oh, yeah. Never to see you again. That was simply delusion, followed up with confusion. That was just substitution for your lonely bed. So that's impressive, how much you're missing. Feelings in my heart, in my heart. Yeah, that's impressive, how much you're missing. Feelings in my heart. Oh, yeah. How much you're messing with me. 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 How much you're messing with me.
Okay, crew, let's make a plate of our French toast.
It's not my fault.
Here go our plate of French toast. Give y'all a close up. Here's our close up of our French toast. A quick and easy and simple French toast recipe. How to make French toast. We have our sausage and our egg here. And if you're new to the channel, you're seeing this, please click the bell. Set post notifications to all once you subscribe, like, and comment on the videos. And y'all already know the saying. Pops out. Peace.